Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to fix Clash Royale updating problem. First thing you need to try is using the airplane mode trick. Firstly, turn on airplane mode on and open Clash Royale. Then turn airplane mode off, then tap retry. This forces a fresh connection and often makes the update continue. Secondly, keep tapping reconnect. Open the game and when reconnect appears, tap it repeatedly. Sometimes the update downloads it in the background even if it looks stuck. Now start on Wi-Fi and when the Supercell logo appears, quickly switch to mobile data. Changing networks can start the update connection. Finally, clear the cache of the app or reinstall the game completely from your Google Play Store or App Store. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.